Today I'll be showing you how to add an Elite Series access control fingerprint reader on a Elite access control board using Smart PSS. So getting started, select access. Here I have the 4-door board. Each of these doors has a fingerprint reader. So let's go ahead and add a user. Select user, select manual add. I have Yarden assisting me, so I'll just add Yarden here. And let's just add some fake information for the card. And then select fingerprint information. The drop down here has 3 options. Let's focus on ACS reader. I'll open up an option here with the drop down. Select our board, and then here I have 4 options where I can read the fingerprint from. In your case, if you have another reader that is not a fingerprint, make sure that you know which door this is connected to. Selecting door 2 and reader 2 will actually allow you to select the collect. Now when you're collecting, the reader itself will blink, allowing you to add your fingerprint, and you'll have to confirm twice. So you'll have an audible beep along with the reader itself blinking. So let's go ahead and select collect, and I'll have Yarden input his finger. Alright, so we've added the fingerprint. Let's click finish. Now we're going to go to this area here where you can actually select your user rights. I'm going to go ahead and give Yarden the access to all the doors. And it's going to go ahead and upload it. So selecting back on our console will allow us to see what's happening. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to have Yarden use a card on the reader itself, showing you that that card doesn't have access. See, the card is unregistered. So let's go ahead and have him use his fingerprint on the reader. And you have an unlock. And you can see everything is working. Now, I'll also have him try another reader. And there you go. And that's how you add your Elite Series access control fingerprint reader on an Elite access control board using Smart PSS. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Thank you for watching.